Hi, I'm Brad from Axis Digital. Today we're going to talk about adding an email signature to Microsoft Outlook. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Okay, so let's get into it. First of all, you need to open up Microsoft Outlook, go to File, down to Options, across to Mail and Signatures. You see I've got a few set up there, so let's set up a new one. So let's call it Brad New and OK. So we've got a nice blank template ready to go. So I always have a space above it, and let's put in a little bit of data. There we go. So that's how I sort of want my email to look, but that doesn't look very good. So we need to format it all. You know, things like Axis Digital. Well, I certainly want that to stand out. So we might want everything in Arial, and let's make this one 16 so it stands out. Let's bold it and let's select a color. So you can go into more colors, select whatever you want there. There's custom colors. You can have your own color, which I've currently got. And so here we do, and recent colors. Axis Digital. So as you can see, that's how you select that. You also want to, the office and the phone, etc. It's always good to colour them just so they pop a little bit. So you can go in and set them to the blue. As you can see, it stands out. So let's fast forward a little bit. Here we are, all formatted. I made this writing a little bit smaller, down to 9, as you can see, and looks pretty tidy. Next we need to make sure we've got these links actually work. So you highlight the link and click on the link button. You can see the text to display, that's correct, but the address isn't. So email address, so text to display, it's contact at Axis. Okay, and let's copy that. Just copy and paste down to the email address. There we go, and it says mail to. And click OK. And we can just double check it when we click that again. And it should say mail to, column, and then the email address. So that's all good. And as for our website address, we need to make sure that people click straight through to our website. Highlight it, text to display. That's how I want it displayed, but that's not actually our website address. So it's HTTPS. And that's the website address we want it on. Excellent. Okay. And that's not exactly how we want it. See it change down there. We still want it to look up here. So when you change one, sometimes it changes the other. www. That's how I want to look down there. Fantastic, even though it'll go through to the correct link, it doesn't have to be the same. So here, I don't like this on automatic. It just takes away. We've got our right color schemes all set up. Let's just make it black. There, they're all clickable. So what else do we need? Need a logo. So go up here to a logo and select the logo you want. This one, you don't want them too wide because they've got to be seen on mobile devices. So this one's about 320 pixels wide and it looks pretty good. Next, you want a bit of a marketing spiel on there. So, let's add this in. there's a bit of, want it, doesn't look too bad, but we may just need to make a few changes, bring it down to 10 and maybe make it bold. Yeah, that stands out, not too bad. And lastly, quite often for business emails, you might want a disclaimer. So in this case, you don't want a disclaimer to be too big, but let's put one in there. As you can see, that's huge. We don't need it that big. We just need it tiny. Nice and small. So now we'll just scroll through, make sure everything looks good. Yeah. And so it's called Brad New. So we need to select on your email address that you want to attach to, Brad New, and click OK, and OK. Let's see how it looks now. Excellent. Exactly what we wanted. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, please click the like button for us, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see future content.